Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the Tech Troopers, the place where we explore exciting opportunities and resources. Today, I've got something special for you. A way to access incredible courses without breaking the bank. And the best part? It's completely legal. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Alright, so the secret sauce is a platform called Class Central. It's a treasure trove of knowledge, offering courses on everything. The best part, it's all legit. Let's start. Open Google Chrome and type Class Central. Log in through Gmail. You can complete your profile by clicking here. You can search for your desired course here. Class Central compiles courses from major MOOC providers, such as Coursera, edX, FutureLearn, and others. It provides a centralized platform for learners to discover courses from different sources. Users can find reviews and ratings for courses, helping them make informed decisions about which courses align with their learning goals and preferences. Courses are organized into categories, making it easier for users to explore specific subjects or areas of interest. Class Central provides information about the universities and institutions offering courses, helping learners understand the credibility and reputation of the educational providers. Let me guide you how you can start learning from any specific course. You can choose also you want course with certificate or not, so I will choose any course randomly. You can start course by clicking here. You can mark course as complete by clicking here. So that's how you can start learning buddies. It has a directory of over 50,000 courses from over 500 universities and other institutions. You can search for courses by subject, institution, price, and other criteria. You can also read reviews of courses from other students. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, or also suggest more topics in comments.